Organically farmed fruits and vegetables, only the best in these delectables. Super clean, safe, and cold pressed, easy to eat without the mess. Crave-worthy yumminess is our specialty. No added sugar in our recipes. The nutrient-rich anytime snack. Busy parents, we've got your back. Now snack time is filled with laughter and cheer. Once upon a farm, a better story starts here.